Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. If you're new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the simple steps, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap Login and you'll see different sign-in options. If you don't have access to your phone number or email, tap Use Phone, Email, Username, and then select Username. Enter your TikTok username, and TikTok will ask you to verify through email. Since you don't have access, tap Need Help. Under Topics, select Logging In, then tap Recover Account. Scroll down and choose No Access to Email or Phone. Enter your TikTok username, describe your issue, and provide a new email address where TikTok can contact you. Submit the request and wait for TikTok's response. If this doesn't work, try another method. Open a web browser and search for TikTok feedback form. Click the first link that says Share your feedback with TikTok. Enter a valid email address, type your TikTok username, and under Topic, select Account Issue. Choose Login Issue or Recover Account, then explain your issue. Provide any proof like a screenshot of your profile, check all the boxes, and tap Submit. Once TikTok reviews your request, they will contact you with further instructions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.